Hey, all my buddies on YouTube and Facebook. This is your favorite friend. I wanted to, well, that's my window. I wanted to do a little video compilation of this storm that we're having, named Nemo. Seriously. We're watching Finding Nemo tonight, just because. But, I don't know if you can actually tell, but it's about 9:10 in the morning. It is Friday. My boss is awesome and is allowing me to work from home, but I wanted to get a couple shots throughout the day. You can sort of see up the street and my Tibetan prayer flag is a little blown in the wind over there, and my two awesome neighbors. So I'll be making videos throughout the day and see where the snow is at. That snow that you already see is from this past weekend that hadn't melted. So this is sort of like a blank slate. We're supposed to get between 16 and 24 inches or possibly more. And you're not going to see my face until I actually take a shower this morning because my hair is a complete mess. So, hi everybody. So this is the first few flakes. All right, welcome to New England! Yay! Okay, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Hey everybody, it is right here. It is 4:45 here in my home, and I know you really. I wish this thing would focus correctly. Zoom. So, Governor Deval Patrick had closed the roads at 4 p.m. No one is allowed to go out, and yeah, you can see what it sort of looks like right now. We only have maybe, say an inch or two. I'd say two. You can obviously see a lot of the tree branches down in my yard, and I'm pretty sure around the state. Winds have started to pick up, and I will make another video in a little bit. But yeah, so this is what it is right now. Welcome, Nemo. All right, everyone, stay safe. I don't know if you can see anything, but we are at my front door, and you can't really see. You can probably hear the wind. It's about 7 p.m. Not exactly sure how many inches we have on the ground, but I gotta tell you, the wind is pretty nasty. So why don't we? So you're not going to be able to see much because not only is it dark, but even with my eyes right now, I can't even see across the street. So, well, yeah. Okay. I'll check back with you guys later. Oh, good morning, everybody. It is the next day, of course, and that's my front door, and I had a little bit of trouble trying to get it open. I'm not exactly sure how many feet we got, but I'll take a couple of the videos along with you, because as you can see, my yard is pretty much covered in pine trees. So my neighbor across the street would probably get, the actual amount. But I think I want to say my town hit the jackpot. Not gonna lie. So I'm gonna see if I could start shoveling. And yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right. Well, I'll catch you guys later. Oh, what's up? I have traveled down my driveway. I am almost about waist deep in snow. And I'm effing freezing. So, as you can see, my tracks, not underneath the pine trees, probably around the front end of my yard will give you a true reading, but that's about waist deep right there. This is obviously a little bit higher because the plow's been going through, but God, I hope that guy that plows my driveway will come and plow, because there ain't no way in hell, you know, I could shovel this. See, that's as far as that went. So, yep. I'm cold. I'm gonna go back inside and have a hot cocoa. So yeah, this is about 24 hours later from the first. Oh, that's pretty. I hope you saw that. So yeah, it's been 24 hours since my first video, so I'll put all this compilation up together, and I hope y'all enjoy. Now, I gotta get back up there. Oh joy. Ooh. Welcome to New England, people.